2019 BMW X5 M50d Arguably, one of the best new BMW X5s you can buy this year is the all-new BMW X5 M50d. One of the two models built under the M Performance Automobile division, the other being the future M50i. The M50d is powered by a quad-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six diesel, packing 400 horsepower and 560 pounds-foot of torque. It will be able to get from 0-60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds, which is only a couple of ticks behind the BMW X3 M40i, despite being quite a lot heavier. These figures are possible thanks to a multi-stage turbocharging system composed of 2 high-pressure and 2 low-pressure turbochargers delivering over 450 Nm of torque. In normal driving situations, both low-pressure turbochargers and one of the 2 high-pressure units are permanently active. The second high-pressure turbocharger only joins in when the engine speed tops 2,500 RPM. Under hard acceleration from idle, flaps are adjusted so the pair of low-pressure turbochargers can be swiftly bypassed, thereby generating maximum charge pressure with even less delay. To boost the turbocharging system's efficiency, exhaust gas recirculation is employed for both the high-pressure and low-pressure stages, and the common rail direct injection system capable of generating pressures in excess of 2,500 bar. The new BMW X5 M50d has a combined fuel consumption of 41.5 mpg and CO2 emissions of 179 gkm. All X5 engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive as standard. The BMW X5 M50d's XDR-IVE all-wheel drive system is very rear-biased under normal conditions, to allow the X5 to feel a bit sportier and more agile. Standard specification for the new BMW X5 M50d includes model-specific kinematics and elasto-kinematics for the wheel suspension, individual spring and damper tuning, plus 22-inch M-Lite alloy wheels. This bespoke configuration increases the BMW M Performance model's agility and steering precision, enables faster cornering, and optimizes its transitional responses. For now, our coverage of the new 2019 BMW X5 continues today with the BMW X5 30D and 40i models. Both of those were made available to journalists for testing earlier this month, during a press launch in Atlanta. We had the chance to drive the US-bound 40i unit, along with a quick run of the glorious M50d. At launch, there will be 4 variants. The BMW X5 XDR-IVE 40i, available in the US, XDR-IVE 50i, North America only, XDR-IVE 30D and X5 M50d. The North American market will get one diesel, likely the XDR-IVE 40d, but the final decision has yet to be made. The BMW X5 XDR-IVE 40i will likely be the volume seller here in the US, and it will pack BMW's excellent B58 3.0-liter turbocharged i6 engine, making 340 horsepower and 332 pounds-foot, 450 Nm of torque. The new BMW X5 XDR-IVE 40i completes the 0-62 miles per hour sprint in just 5.5 seconds. Fuel consumption averages 33.2 mpg and CO2 emissions are 193 grams/kilometers. As for the XDR-IVE 30D, it gets a 3.0-liter turbocharged i6 diesel engine, making 265 horsepower and 457 pounds-foot, 620 Nm. Capable of reaching the 62 miles per hour mark from rest in 6.5 seconds, the new X5 XDR-IVE 30D returns a combined fuel consumption of just 470 mpg, equating to CO2 emissions of 158 grams/kilometers. All engines channel their power through an 8-speed Steptronic transmission, while BMW XDR-IVE intelligent all-wheel drive is on hand to ensure that power is translated into secure progress, on or off-road. The 2019 X5 XDR-IVE 40i will be starting at $60,700 in the United States, while in Germany, the BMW X5 XDR-IVE 30D will cost €69,200 and will be the entry-level model.